Why aren't people born with the third eye? Why do you have to initiate it?
Because Mahadeva wants you guys to become like him. He sends you with the third eye.
Gigi,
Yes.
Gigi, what exactly happens to feeling connection after enlightenment?
Or you become one with it. See, now how you feel connected to you, it becomes like that.
But what about how I would feel connected?
That is what I am
to
saying.
you?
There won't be two person. Simply whatever I am feeling will be happening in your body. So whatever you are replying will be happening in my body.
But other than that, like how we enjoy you, like sitting,
So
cherishing
don't
the
worry,
small things.
it will not be lost,
There?
because how I enjoy Mahadeva,
Yes.
you will continue to enjoy.
Okay.
You understand? Next 2 days they will not remove this. Not because of anything, because I am enjoying. I will not let them remove, you will see. Next 2 days I will be sitting and gazing. During the process also you can see I will be just sitting and enjoying him. So how I enjoy, you will enjoy. It never goes away. The juice of devotion only becomes strong with Advaita. It is never lost.
Swamiji, right here. So whenever I do blindfold reading, about this earlier, for the past 2 days, there's like intense pressure behind my eyes and like higher up
You
here.
should not be forcibly seeing. You should not take a pressure that you have to see.
Okay.
Huh? You look like how you look at a rose.
Okay.
Swami,
Yes.
for the past 2 days, my dreams are so deep and vivid that it seems so real.
That is one of the symptom, the third eye awakening. Not only that, you will feel this also like a dream. That will be the next step.
Thank you.
See, if you see whatever is happening around you, see this like a dream moving, even that will awaken your third eye. That is also an indirect process to awaken your third eye. Whatever is happening around you, see it's like a film moving. Swamiji is sitting, all these people are sitting, asking questions, Mahadeva is sitting there, Devi Meenakshi, and volunteers are moving around, this throne is there, and this LED screen, everything just like a screen moving in front of you. If you see all this as a dream, even that way automatically your energy and consciousness will get centered on third eye, it will awaken your third eye. Everything you see like a screen moving in front of you. 3D, like IMAX theater screen. How the IMAX theater screen surrounds you. So be very clear, this is just IMAX theater screen. It surrounds you, but it's a screen only. Immediately your energy will be centered on third eye. Not with closed eyes, then you will sleep.
Swamiji,
It's side.
here stage. Sometimes it's difficult for me to have rituals or everything. I give food to deities because I really don't see or feel or experience, mystically that. So
You don't have to. See, when you can relate with me, you don't need to worry. Relate with me, and I will teach you how to relate with deities. See, when you relate with me, slowly I can teach you to relate with my deity. When you can relate to my deity, you can relate to Mahadeva's deity. That's all.
And what's real devotion? Real.
Devotion is overflowing gratitude, understanding the highest experience of you,
Gratitude?
which overflows when you understand the highest experience of you. When you understand your highest possibility and experience, so much gratitude will overflow, and that gratitude is devotion. It does not need to be directed towards anybody. Just that overflowing is devotion.
Thank you.
Swamiji, kitchen side. If a kid can't read blindfolded, can another kid sit on their lap?
I think that may not be possible. The kid will not be able to help each other. You will be able to help only your father or mother.
Okay.
Because from there only the muscle memory, biomemory came now. That is why.
Okay.
You may not be able to initiate others. even then I don't think you will be able to, because with your brothers you may not have completion. You need to have a completion also.
Swamiji, actually I did IA in 2012. After that, whenever I see any natural scene, like hills or tree or cloud, I suddenly feel all those things are inside my Anandaganda.
That is good.
Okay.
That's
But-
Advaita.
Okay.
Experiencing the glimpse of Advaita. Maybe you have a completion with the nature.
Okay.
So you are feeling oneness with that.
Yeah.
If you bring the same completion with the human beings also, you will become enlightened. That's all.
Okay. But it's, I can see only with natural scenes.
That is what.
Okay.
With the humans you have a completion.
Yeah. And it's
You can't be all the time in the forest.
Thank you so much.
Tathas.
Swamiji. Keď sme prišli do Varanasi, tak sme boli v Kalabhairovom chráme spolu s Kamaláčanou.
When we came to Varanasi, we went to Kalabhairava temple.
A boli sme pozvaní na večeru a bol to pre mňa obrovský zážitok a cítila som veľkú vďačnosť a chcem sa opýtať, čo to znamená, keď nás Kalabhairava nakrmil.
We were invited for dinner and she was feeling
Actually,
a
I
lot of
saw the
gratitude.
photograph in the Facebook.
Yes,
I just saw, Kalabhairava said he is very happy that you guys came. So, and immediately when you came, went to report to him. So he was very happy, he said, I gave them food. That's why I told you when you came, Kalabhairava gave food for you guys. I saw in the Facebook. When I saw, I just scanned. How did these guys get the food? Kalabhairava said, I only invited them. I gave them food.
Swamiji, she was actually asking what does it mean in Kalabhairava,
It
invited you
means
for dinner.
he is very happy that you guys are here. And he is very happy when you came, you went to report to him. See, he is the ruler of this city. So when the moment you came, you went to see him, he is very happy. So tomorrow we are going for Ganga Snan. Whoever wants to shave your head, you can shave. Traditionally, women don't shave the head, they just give the edge hair. You can give half inch or 1 inch hair. And men can shave. Whoever wants to. It's like your whole being, see, if you shave the whole body, apply the ash and take bath in Ganga, the whole body will start breathing. That's a physical benefit. Traditionally, hair and all is it grows out of the body biomemory, so it denotes all the incompletions which is grown out of the body. By giving it, you are giving away all the incompletion. Symbolically. It is good to shave the whole body and apply basma and take bath. Only thing you need to be very careful. Please be informed, current is very high. Do not try to show your heroism with Gangama. Yes, the place where we will be going. And don't go too deep inside. Don't even try more than a waist height. No need, just take bath. You can relate with her and say that I am dropping the past incompletion, so mother cleaning me up. Your prayer is enough.
Swamiji, this is about couple of months back. In the hospital, one of the patient was very sick, heart function 10%. He was almost on the deathbed. So there's one guy, his friend, clairvoyant, I don't know, he said, and he came and told me that he's got, of course he had circulation was not good in the left leg and had pneumonia. He said, I'm seeing dark spots in the right lung and dark spot in the left leg. He correctly told. And also he was telling me that he's able to talk to Sai Baba and all those things. I don't know how they do this. This clairvoyance.
Maybe, deep connection with the Guru can give this kind of powers. Can manifest this kind of powers.
But he correctly told where exactly was the problem.
So now you will be able to do it with this yoga.
Swamiji, kitchen, deity side, corner.
Yes.
So we're gonna go and get all wet tomorrow in the ganja.
Ganga.
We cannot wear white, the ganja.
No. You can wear any color you want. You can have shawls. You can do
This way to see through, it'll be like a show.
So
Can
you
we wear
you
black?
can. Yes, you can.
Thank you.
And this river is so free and nobody will be seeing you, I am telling you. Everyone will be taking bath. Men, most of them with one line cloth, they will be taking bath. And here nobody will see you, don't even bother.
Do we bring a towel and stuff to dry off and clothes?
I am telling you, you protect yourself, cover yourself completely, no problem. But here you won't see anybody seeing you and all that. You won't see even that kind of harassment. Because every day they are seeing millions of men, women taking bath naked there. You will be tired and bored. How long you will see? First 2-3 people you will see, then all size, shape, everything you see, all color, shade. Then what will you do? Come on, carry on.
Can we take pictures?
I think I'll tell you to avoid pictures. Don't take pictures. I don't think anybody will be taking pictures there. And I have seen these Kashivasis are very respectful to tourists. The locals here, they are very respectful to tourists because they handle tourists every day. Very rarely there may be some exemption, but I don't expect any, I don't see any problem. And moreover, you will be going, our guys are also will be there. Our team will be there with you guys, and they are locals, literally locals, so they will take care of you.
Can we take pictures of ourselves in the river to put on Facebook?
You can take selfie and all that. Just make sure that you don't photograph anybody who is uncomfortable, that's all.
Thank you.
I think other than black, some other color is okay, because the black is used here only for the last rites. So, other than black, better use some other color.
Swamiji, is it the same to go and say, purify all my sins, or one by one?
No, you can say purify all. She is powerful. She can do all.
Thank you.
Swamiji,
Yes.
I shaved the hair, but I kept it in a plastic bag for, I was planning to do it at Ganga, but I wasn't sure if I will get a barber there and all that.
Yes, you can offer that now to Ganga.
Okay.
Yes.
Or do I need to do one more?
See, when you start the journey to Varanasi, in your house itself shaving and bringing the hair in a yellow cloth and offering it in Ganga is a tradition.
Okay.
It is tradition and it's allowed.
Okay.
You have to give some coins also.
Yes.
When you offer that hair, you should give some money also, because she's a woman.
Yes.
You can't give anything just like that. You have to give money also to her.
Okay. Thank you. And you said...
When you gift something to women, you should give money also.
Yes.
Whether you give her a cloth or bangles or flower, there should always be money along with it.
Okay.
Always offer at least 1 or 2 rupees coin to her.
Yes.
She's a woman. When you take bath, and we respect her as mother.
Yes, Swamiji. Awesome.
It's a traditional respect. You can even offer that lamps or a bitter leaf.